The new natural Botox, cheap and super effective. It's called Maicena mask. How much to invest to look cute, young and healthy? Are you happy with the treatments you get? We bring you a suggestion. Try the home remedies. No cream can give you back the youth, texture, elasticity, or firmness of the skin. They all promise, but few fulfill. Therefore, let us return to the origins, which are the natural. For example, a mask of cornstarch. This mask has proven to be very effective that a dermatologist themselves cannot find a way to explain how they can act so quickly. Only these ingredients you will need: 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 5 tablespoons of carrot juice, 1 tablespoon of natural yogurt, 150 milliliters of purified water, and 1 brush to apply the mask. Instructions to follow. Must boil 100 milliliters of water. We reserve the other 50 milliliters of water to dissolve the cornstarch. Once the crumbs are disintegrated, add this mixture to the boiling water. We revolve and integrate everything. Let cool the mixture and incorporate natural yogurt and carrot juice. We must apply the mask with a brush, making circles on the face. Let it stand for 15 minutes and remove it with plenty of cold water. This action should be repeated twice a week for a month. The results are incredible. Thank you for reading this information. If you found this useful, do not hesitate to share it.